Storms Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the iPhone 14 Plus for Straight Talk. So the iPhone 14 Plus is now here at Straight Talk, currently in stock, so that's nice. You guys have two color options as I'm seeing on screen here, white and red color options for the iPhone 14 Plus at Straight Talk. 128 gigabytes of storage, $929.99. I don't know if Straight Talk will offer any other storage options for the phone, so yeah. Also, the iPhone 14 Plus looks like the iPhone 13 from last year, except for it has like newer internal, minus the processor, which has a A15 Bionic chip in there. So if you guys like the design of the iPhone 13, the iPhone 14 Plus is definitely you guys should check out. So this is the cheapest flagship iPhone of this year. So you guys have your nods for your front facing camera, the earpiece power button on the right side, the volume piece on the left side, along with your alert switch, dual cameras in the back, camera flash, Apple logo, and y'all guys can barely see that because it has like a white color, so it's kind of hard to see the Apple logo there, but it's there. And there's the front, and there's a closer look at the dual cameras on the back, along with your camera flash. Y'all guys can also pay monthly for it as well. $38.75 a month for 24 months, or $929.99 for retail price for the 128 gigabyte version. So yeah. iPhone 14 Plus, now that's big. iPhone 14 Plus, think big with a large 6.7-inch display and all-day battery life. Capture stunning photos in low light and bright light with the new dual camera system. Get peace of mind with groundbreaking safety features. Specs: Super Retina XDR display, 6.7 inches, OLED screen, 3.7 inches width, 6.33 inches height, 0.31 inches depth, all-day battery life, built-in rechargeable lithium-ion battery, MagSafe, wireless charging up to 15 watt, up to 26 hours of video playback, up to 26 hours of video playback, up to 100 hours of audio playback. You do get 5G, obviously, sub 6 gigahertz, sub 6 millimeter wave, and gigabit LTE and all that good stuff. So if you guys want more specs on the iPhone 14 Plus, I will have them linked below. What comes in the box is your iPhone 14 Plus smartphone, USB-C to Lightning cable, documentation, and an Apple sticker. So that's pretty cool. There is no charger in the box, so y'all guys will have to provide you if you guys don't have one. Features: camera, advanced camera system for better photos in any light, cinematic mode now in 4K Dolby Vision up to 30 frames, up to 26 hours of video playback, action mode for smooth, steady handheld video. Design: industry leading durability features, with ceramic shield and water resistance, dynamic island, which is not on the iPhone 14 Plus, by the way. I don't know why that's listed here. Okay, kind of interesting that they had the dynamic island feature listed here for the iPhone 14 Plus. That's only on the Pro models this year, so keep it in mind. Safety: vital safety features, emergency SOS via satellite, and crash detection. So very nice safety features. Hopefully you'll never need them, but they're there if you guys ever need those. A15 Bionic chip with 5-core GPU for lightning fast performance, super fast 5G cellular. So it has last year's iPhone chip in the iPhone 14 Plus, and you guys have eSIM support. So all the new iPhones this year have eSIM support, and that is it. Your iPhone will be activated with an eSIM. No physical SIM is needed. If you guys have questions about eSIM, y'all guys can check out the FAQs here. which I suggest you guys check them out just in case you guys have questions about eSIM. So yeah. So there you guys have it. The iPhone 14 Plus is now here at Straight Talk for $929.99, 128 gigabytes of storage, and white and red color options. So yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It lets me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.